Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Spotify password without email, quick method step by step clearly. To reset your Spotify password without access to your email, start by launching the Spotify app or opening the Spotify website. Click on the Login button. Select the Forgot Your Password option. You will be presented with a form to enter your username. Type in your Spotify username correctly. If you don't remember your username, you can also try using your Facebook account if you initially signed up that way. After entering your username, click on the Send Reset Link button. A confirmation message should appear, stating that the reset link has been sent. Now, check your linked accounts like Facebook or Twitter for any notifications or messages. If you do not have access to any email account associated with your Spotify, you can reset your password by contacting Spotify support directly. Visit the Spotify support page and look for the Contact option. Provide your account details, including your username and any linked social accounts. Request assistance in resetting your password. Keep an eye on your email or your linked social media for a response from Spotify support. Once you receive the response, follow any instructions provided to reset your password. After resetting your password, return to the Spotify app or website and log in using your new credentials. That's it. You've successfully reset your Spotify password without using your email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.